Yeah, guys, we're here in the beach. So look at the beach of Ventnor Beach. This is Atlantic City. So it's awesome. So we're just had a few people here just to exercising. And I think April and Mark do the swimming. Because look at that. So windy. Look at the water. So that's the water. Oh my gosh, look at that water. Oh, that's good. Misty. Hey, look at the dog, Misty. Look at Misty, guys. Wow. This is a beach. It's really great, Misty. Ha 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 ha. Look at her. Look at the view, guys. So nice. Awesome. It's awesome. It's sunshine. Look at that waves. Oh. Yeah, gabi. Nag-video. Hi, Misty. Look at me, Misty. Hi, Misty. Allah, Misty. If love, what's this? I don't know. It's wonderful. So they're the one who try to swim there. Some big waves. This is ocean. Huge ocean. We're just here, just doing exercise. And oh. Nak, wala man na nubunda nak. Liguan mo tanan pati yung lawas. Hindi kayo dalaw ni Mark. Ikaw matigawak, si Mark mag-ano dyan para matangtang yung puto, yung kato-kato. Kayo talaga dalawang Mark mag-ano yan eh. Si Mark mag-ano, ako ka maghawak. Yeah, we have a dog here, si Misty. We tried to give her a bath in the sea so that she could have a perfect hair and body. Oh, look at that movie. Wow, it's nice. Say hi to my vlog. This is for my YouTube.
We're here at the Atlantic City.
What could you say about Atlantic City? This has been Beach.
Oh, we went to the other beach.
Yeah. So this is wonderful. It was so much fun in here, guys. Okay. Good for now. Bye.
Okay.
This is beach houses. New Jersey City.
Oh yeah,